Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once, and you can switch this mode. If you hold your finger on this button, you can also access some of its settings. You can change its behavior here. You can add exceptions for calls, for example from anyone, from contacts only, from stairs contacts, or don't allow calls. And there's also allow repeat callers if the same person called the second time within a 15-minute period. Allow it option. The same goes to messages. You can also manage other sounds and vibrations here. For example, you can enable alarm, media, touch sounds, reminders, or you can disable them here. You can also manage visual notifications here. You can hide visual notifications, you can hide sound notifications, you can set your custom notifications hiding here. You can set your default duration for this mode, and you can set a schedule for it here, and that's it. And you can switch it here also. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.